Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set song on Facebook profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your profile. Here you can see 3 dots. Press on this. Now click on search. Here you can see the option of music. You have to press on this. Now click on this plus icon and select your music. Press on 3 dots. Now click on select. Now go back and click on your selected song. Press on 3 dots. Now click on pin to profile. Now you have to go back to your profile. Here is your song. So this is how to set song on Facebook profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.